Hey, are you following me? I have a bad feeling about this. Here we go! Oops, didn't see that there. Sorry, Jim. It wasn't me! Don't worry, I won't touch anything. Is it getting hot in here? Is this thing safe? I better go now. Did someone say bees? I'm allergic to bees. Did you say crash helmet? Sugar makes me crazy. Bet you can't do this. Check this out. I'm loopy. Hey Jim, have you seen my pants? Don't look! No peeking! Allergies be darned! Oh, this is almost as good as petting a llama. Thanks a lot, guys. It's cold and a bit wet in here. Thanks, Jimmy. Okay, fun's over. I can't stop! Hey, Jimmy, how do these things work? I want my mommy! Bye, Patrick. See you later, Squidward. Goodbye, Mr. Krabs. Bye, Gary. Goodbye, Plankton. Bye, Wanda. Bye, Cosmo. See you later, Timmy. Bye-bye, Vicky. Bye, Jimmy. Bye, Cindy. Bye, Libby. See you, Goddard. Bye, Tommy. Bye, Chucky. Goodbye, Angelica. Bye, Fluffy. Goodbye, SpongeBob. Goodbye. Hi, Patrick. Hi, Squidward. Hello, Mr. Krabs. Hi, Gary. Hello, Plankton. Hi, Wanda. Hi, Cosmo. Hi, Timmy. Hello, Vicky. Hi, Jim. Hi, Cindy. Hi, Libby. Hi, Goddard. Hi, Tommy. Hi, Chucky. Hello, Angelica. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, SpongeBob. Oh, get away. No! Stop it!